Ayikho into erefa urefri, ayikho. I-half time manje ayikho. Umfundo Vilakazi bekalitholela yini yellow card. Instead ukuthi athole ipenalty uthole i-yellow card, ayikho into erefa urefri bakithi ayikho, asivumeni. And iPirates kusam today iphuwa ayina chemistry. Akho chemistry iphuwa but ngiya-understand abadlali bakhona abaningi babuya ku-injury. That's why kukanje. UMakhawula ngazi mina usefuna ukukhiphela isikwintshi kubani ngoba nakho yena bamkapha ku-injury manje naye usefuna ukukapha. Ayikho into erefa urefri bakithi, ayikho into erefa urefri. Hayi All Star iyadlala today. Hayi All Star phambili, All Star phambili. Hayi All Star, hayi 45 minutes but sengibone enough. Kube nje akusu referee ngabe All Star sikore 2 kahle kahle. Ngabe All Star sikore 2. So ureferee hayi defense All Star ima kancane. Ima lapho defense All Star serious kakhulu. Kube ku-break lapha ya. Hey, ayadlala shem. Anikhulumeni nalo referee nimxoxele ukuthi Pirates yayithola isithathile icup serious. Yona iCunning Black Label la kufanele ukuthi sidlala i-friendly game, i-friendly match aka relax, arefe kahle. Hey, akame kancane inkinga yakhe.